Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Trustmark Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC and then go to the Google search bar and then search for Trustmark Mortgage login. Now, click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will lead you to the official page of Trustmark Bank. Now, there are options of login into your portal, so you can just go ahead and click My Trustmark Mortgage portal. It will lead you to a login portal where you can see that there is login, enroll now, bill metrics, next debit card, pay now by bank app. Now click login and it will lead you to this portal where you can write down your email address, your password and click sign in. You must also note that this email address and password must be associated with your Trustmark Mortgage account. If the email address and password is incorrect, you cannot sign in to your Trustmark Mortgage account. Now, if you want your browser to remember you the next time you log in, click Remember Me. And if you have in case forgotten your password, click Forgot Your Password. Then you can reset your password quite easily. If you don't have a Trustmark Mortgage account, click Register here and then you can create an account for yourself in Trustmark. I hope this video about how you can log into your Trustmark Mortgage account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.